whale chine. Right in here now. So there's where you come down from Whale Chine. The size of the waves. I mean, that's a long way away. It's a few miles. So that's where you come down there in the middle of the street. Right up against the cliff. I won't be going down there today. All the way up to Black Gang Amusement Park. Or below it, should I say. Oh, they're absolutely massive. Well, I can see them with the naked eye from back here. That is the boat. Absolutely massive. Beach clean for you. Woo! You would not want to be swimming in that. Holy cow.